Changing your payout method on Etsy is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your payout preferences. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access Shop Manager. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Finances. In the Shop Manager, find and click on the Finances tab. This section contains all information related to your earnings and payout methods. Step 4. Select Payment Settings. Under the Finances tab, click on Payment Settings. Here, you will see your current payout method and options to change it. Step 5. Update your payout method. Choose your preferred payout method from the available options. Follow the prompts to enter any necessary information and save your changes. After completing these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check your settings periodically to ensure everything is correct.